Hi friends, Lena Bugs here, and today I want to formally introduce you to my current favorite hair products. For the last month, I've been testing out Raw Sugar Pro Remedy hair care products, and I am genuinely so impressed with how good my hair looks and feels. The Reconstruct shampoo and conditioner, along with the leave-in priming mist and unbreakable bond leave-in treatment, have left my hair feeling amazing. With the current state of the world, it is so tricky to get into a salon as frequently as we used to, so today I'm going to show you how to be your own pro at home with Raw Sugar. To give you a little background on my hair, it is very naturally thick, dry, frizzy, coarse, and I just spent the last 6 years bleaching it. So now that I'm back to my natural hair color, partially, I've been focusing on giving my hair the TLC it so badly deserves. I personally have always struggled finding hair care products with good ingredients that are plant-derived, cruelty-free, and salon quality, but not salon quality price. Needless to say, when I heard about Raw Sugar, I was a little reluctant because I've heard this all before, but I am here to tell you that this has genuinely worked so well for my hair. I am so impressed, and it would be a shame to keep this all to myself. So I'm gonna walk you through my current hair care routine. This is what I've been doing the last month, and literally since the first time I used it, my hair has changed for the better. So of course we'll be starting with Raw Sugar's Reconstruct shampoo. This shampoo removes unwanted product buildup and pollutants while gently cleansing, meaning you get to hold on to your hard-earned hair color for so much longer. I'm not kidding when I say this actually keeps your hair color on longer. We accidentally went a shade darker than the extensions this time, and I assumed that I would be able to wash it right off with this shampoo. I've washed it off 4 times now and it has not budged. I mean it when I say this actually keeps your color on for longer, which is amazing for the situation that we are in right now. These ingredients also boost circulation, hydrate the hair follicles, and rebalance pH levels, leaving your scalp nourished for optimal hair growth. Not to mention, it smells amazing. It has my favorite flower scent, jasmine, in it, along with white orchid and nuances of rosewood. Moving on to the conditioner, this is the ultimate damage control rescue treatment. Much like the shampoo, it is color locking, but it also helps repair broken bonds, split ends, and adds moisture back into the hair to prevent further breakage. Again, as someone who just spent the last 6 years bleaching their hair, this is everything I need in hair care. It leaves my hair feeling tamed, soft, and silky, but never weighed down. Once I'm out of the shower, I love to spray my hair down with Raw Sugar's leave-in primer mist. This is a lightweight detangler and frizz controller. This product has ingredients like wild rose and watercress, meaning it is extremely moisturizing and reparative. It also has cold pressed sunflower seed oil and coconut oil, which my hair adores. Basically, this product keeps my hair protected from heat damage and breakage, and most importantly, it lets me brush my hair out without a fight. Now, the final step in my hair care routine is the Unbreakable Balm Leave-In Bond Treatment. This stuff is magic in a bottle. If I'm processing my hair whatsoever at the salon, then I absolutely need to use this product every time I get out of the shower. This product is deeply restorative with coconut fruit extract. It seals split ends and protects it from future damage. I swear that putting the tiniest bit on the ends of your hair helps the hair growth process go so much quicker. I also noticed a huge difference with frizz once my hair dries. It is a lot softer, smoother, and looks a lot less dull once it's all fully dried, and I can actually wear my hair natural. I really love that all Raw Sugar products contain natural ingredients, so I don't have to worry about putting my hair through further damage after I leave the salon. I especially love that the products themselves are specifically formulated to help protect, repair, and maintain hair color in between salon visits. If you want to be your own pro at home, head to Sally Beauty. You can get all of these salon quality products without the salon quality price. Thank me later.